Tomorrow is 14th August, birthday of Haldar, Balram, Sasti,
आज
and
13 अगस्त है तो 14 बोल रहा है
14 August. Tomorrow is 14 August and birthday of Haldar of India, Balram, elder brother of Krishna. 15 August is Independence Day of India, and 16 August is birthday of Lord Krishna, younger brother of Balram, Haldar, Haldar of India. I am Haldar, EWS Kisanpur, Gaya. I am visiting and enlivening 98 Jahanabad. 1959 winter night, December. I was just 17-year-old, but my mentor had told me that you will be member of parliament from Jahanabad in 1980. So, with a passion in night and day, I was wandering in the villages of Jahanabad, Makdumpur, Sagarpur, Koili, all charged. One very dangerous at that time. The fight, violent fight with Jaguar was already on. But fearlessly I was moving everywhere, even Jaguar village. And they were my friends. And even that, so he was my teacher also in the Dev Prasad Jadhav. He had ambition to also contest in 98. But he failed to get. And I was mentoring, I was ignorant. They were saying that you will be the MP of Jahanabad. So I was passionate to be member of parliament from Jahanabad in 1980. And in that time, 79, mad midsummer, Haldar was Prime Minister of India, Haldar Chaudhary Singh, and S.N. Misra was the Foreign Minister of India, who had gone to Cuba, Havana, and made India next president of non-alignment. And my mentor, who was hiring me to be a member of parliament from Jahanabad, he himself went to Havana University as a professor, linguistic professor, to teach. And he was grateful. He always there inviting me. I was reading the letters from Americans who had ambition as students to be president of USA. And Helsinki was there, professor of Harvard. My mentor was professor of Patna University. And Helsinki came back. And Rostraika and all Russia's all was broken with his brilliant move. And Russia became really open to the world with a poor, what is the country where he was so powerful. So today, India, as situation is here, to get ready for 2025. And India emerged superpower. The classes big with Russia and Super America war, as already Trump is realizing how big they had become. As Mikhail Gorbachev had realized in 1980 that just show off your superpower, but really we are already have become a skeleton, very poor, only show off. Real power, real economy lies in China, lies in India, with a true killer of the land. True migrants come back. Situations of Indians in America and situation of Biharis in Delhi and in Haryana is the same. So come and join Haldar. And 2004 is not far, 229. And So
Oh,
India merged Haldar. Tomorrow is birthday of Haldar, Balram, Hal Sasti, and add taxes. Hal, only those women who had a son, they can worship Haldar. So we have always male and male son. Son is always preferred in India, not the girls. And as India become big, the day Iron Lady, only daughter of Nehruji, became the Prime Minister, and you see the situation of India today. As it is happening in Delhi, all dogs are being sent to the dog shelters by women Chief Minister of Delhi. Delhi's farmers. Delhi's land of the Brahm Prakash, first Chief Minister. And today's only one MLA, Surya Prakash from Timarpur. They are from land, and Delhi is of the landlords. Landlords of Delhi. Come on. Join only topple, as choice as a topple by the side, and so all Jats, MLAs of Delhi, all present, Jat, Jagdish, Gudar, come up and become the Chief Minister of Delhi.
okay.
Soon.